Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu. Ezigbo afa mbụ Chukwu nọnyere m enwe na m. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji bịa taata bụ igbu ewu nna. Yes, I will explain. Igbu ewu nna is a ritual we, especially the Igbos, do perform after our father's burial. Some people used to do it immediately after their father's burial. But some people used to do it maybe years later when they are ready. But the important thing is that once you perform that particular act, it's an act of honor, act of respect to your departed father, to show that your father has a successor, that is, has a male child. Is to show that your father left his offspring behind. It's a sign of to mark the highest respect he can give to your departed father in Igbo land. Yes. Ega n'obodo dị iche iche, some might call it different names. Ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya ịbọrọ nna ya efi. But no matter whatever names you people call it in your own dialect, the important thing is that this opportunity is mgbe a na-eweta that efi. That efi is divided into many portions. One, your umunna has a portion from that cow. Then, your father's mother people, that is your father Munwadiana, they have some portion from it. Then they will give you small portion like the head and the hand. We don't come to you. However, and other drinks, merriment, food that follows is a kind of ceremony. But believe in me, it's very important. We are going to discuss about it. Why you should do it if you are capable of doing it. And what you should avoid if you cannot afford it to your departed father. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in the month of April. Our monthly rituals is still ongoing. You can still join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in all we do. This morning I have gone to the temple to make sacrifices upon the lives of those that joined us. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. And we keep doing this way till the last day of the month. We visit the waters, go to the temple, offer sacrifices to entities of powers on behalf of all. Now, if you are close by, you can still come around that particular day. We have consultation with you and counseling and prayers. Then that's how we do it. We started this group rituals over 4 years now. Believe in me, we have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Eze-Ana TV because it's not necessary. It's not why we are here. If you have any question in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, or you want to join monthly rituals, then chat me on WhatsApp. Look on your screen, you will see my WhatsApp numbers. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 871. Look on your screen, you see it. Remember, Eze-Ana TV website and our app is already on. You can visit our website www.ezeoanatv.org or go to Google Play Store and download Eze-Ana TV. Now let's proceed. What I'm saying today is what you have to know and what you must know and abide by it if you are an Igbo son or even daughters, and they want to give your late father a befitting burial, after befitting burial, and they want to give your father maximum respect. Reason bona na your father mụtalụ onye dị capable na ọ mụtalụ nwa ka mmadụ ga-atụ etu esi abịa na n'ụwa mmadụ asị na mmadụ wuo Ogbuefi ma ọ bụ Ogbuehi, as case may be, kwa dialect is where dị n'ala Igbo, nwe ndị na-akpọ ya Ogbuehi, nwe ndị na-akpọ ya Ogbuefi. And Efi is a big animal. N'ala Igbo people celebrate Efi as because Oburibu. Yes. So we used to see Efi as something, the highest gift you can give to a human being. So it's a thing of honor. So in Igbo hierarchy, the highest title you can take n'ala Igbo is when maybe you pass a process of taking your also title. Then after that one, you climb a step further by Igbute Efi, gbuoro ụmụnna gị, gbuoro ndị ikwu na ndị ibe gị na ndị nzere ọzọ ibe gị. By then, you become an Ogbuefi. Yes, when you are capable of giving out cows to some people to celebrate and marry with you, you become an Ogbuefi. So that is the highest title any Igbo man can get. Achọrọ m ka m gwa gị gbasara our new website, Eziokwu TV website and Eziokwu TV app. Our website domain name is www.eziokwutv.org. O-R-G. Then more we get a Google Play Store, download Eziokwu TV app. With these downloads or login to website, you can view Eziokwu TV on the go anywhere you are all over the world. Now that website or app, again we can watch your Eziokwu TV live as it's showing on Eziokwu TV television. You'll be able to watch it the same way on your phone or television or whatever you use to log in. And if you have a website or app where we can watch our Nollywood movies there. We can watch all my teachings there on the website and on the app. Thank you. You can become an also title holder without becoming an Ogbuefi. Ogbuefi is a step further. Obodo obodo anyị bụ Oraifite. Ichichi ọzọ, chọọ ịgba ọfala ọzọ. Igbu efi. Onye ma ono etu aka kwere gị. Ka nwere nke ị ga-akwụnye ụmụnna, nwee nke ị ga-akwụnye ndị nze n'ọzọ, nwee nke ị ga-akwụnye ndị nna gị ochie and rest of them. So mgbe ahụ ịbụrụ Ogbuefi official. Ọ bụrụ onye egburu efi, ọzawa Ogbuefi. So now etu anwa o si bụrụ n'ụwa mmadụ in the world of the living, people that have performed that sacrifice or ritual or celebration to become an Ogbuefi are people a na-eregardị n'obodo dịka ndị aka gbasiri ike. Some certain things regarding n'obodo chọba ha, men of timbers and calibers. Maka na ọ bụrụ onye eriri nne ọzawa Ogbuefi. Ịghọtara ya? Before ị bụrụ na Ogbuefi inwege enough wee nwee nke ị ga-enye mmadụ live cow, and ọ nwere ike multiple cows as case may be. So then Obro na ya departed father, in appreciation, and when he had departed father to become an Ogbuefi when he was alive. But in appreciation of all where is Yegi no Munegi, in appreciation, we see that this my late father deserve to be celebrated. You know, Ogbuefi Igbu in his honor. In no one more, that your late father will be very happy and proud of you. Onwero honor a na-enye ha dịka ndị gburu efi. Whether ndị gburu efi na mmadụ before they join their ancestors, ma ọ bụ ndị ụmụ ha gburu efi n'ụwa mmụọ, iburugo, it's like you added a feather to your crown. Maka na ụwa bụ world without end, bụ onye amụtara ọmụta ibia, and the people that can afford it bụ people mewuru ihe. Even na ndị na-agba ha nwụsịa ụmụ ga-egboro ha efi bụ ndị mewuru ihe, ndị mụtara ụmụ aka gbasiri ike. So ọ na-abụ a thing of honor, even in the great beyond, na pass it on wee nwee ọnọchie, people that will represent you, people that will continue your lineage. So it's a thing of honor when there are people living on earth celebrate you and keep celebrating you even when you are in the great beyond. So on our thing of honor, even their late father will be celebrating, hanging shoulders, because it's a thing of honor. In the word of the spirit, do you know in the land of the living, it was when we hierarchy of name were in one mother, ndị wopekata mpe, ndị ogbenye, ndị ọnụ na-eru n'okwu, n'ụwa mmadụ nwere ndị bụ ndị nwe obodo, nwee ndị na-ejere obodo ozi, nwee ndị obodo nwe. So etu aka ọ dịkwa n'ụwa mmụọ, enwere the decision makers, ndị ọnụ ruru n'okwu. So ọ bụrụ na ị celebrate ya father, ihe ọ pụtara mgbe na-etube ya ugo na n'ụwa ọ bịalụ, that he lived a fulfilled life. Mụta gị nwa na ụmụnne gị ndị ọzọ. So it's a thing of honor. So in order to celebrate your father, you made that mmemme. Ọ na-atụ ya ụtọ. Eleta mgbe m mere my late father, enwere blessing suenu. Mana ihe na-achịkwa today bụ, ọ bụrụ na nkụgbada gị uru na ya, ị ga na-agba n'aka na-agba n'ụkwụ, because onye fee eze eru ya. When you respect your father to this level, believe in me, na ga dey proud of you. Ọ ga na-agwa ndị ụmụ mmụọ ndị ọzọ na ụmụ m na-celebrate one today. Let go invite ya ndị ọzọ si ha ndekwa na ụmụ m na-celebrate today. Mana ị nwere ike na-afụ ya anya, mana ọ na-enwe aṅụrị na mmụọ, and onwe aṅụrị na mmụọ ọ yọtara ụmụ ayọ, o break some barriers because of you, because of you made you proud. Those you ni nwere some certain things he may achieve. Your father were the proud of you, he may achieve. O wee call friends and well wishers, celebrate ya gbuo anụ dị iche iche, wee soro bịa rie n'obi dị ụtọ. Etu a wesi break barrier n'ụwa mmadụ, etu a ga-asị break barrier n'ụwa mmụọ. Now let me sound warning. Ọ bụrụ na for any reason, na if you na need be very broke, na ogbenye na-akpọ ogbenye, even the poor do call you poor. You can't afford it. It's not a must. Your father knows you, know your capacity, know that now umuya the handicap or made stop. But your father got angry with you when you neglected your father, when you neglected to celebrate your father, and you are now giving out cows to your friends and well wishers. Your father passed on. You bury your father anyhow. And even when you become a man. Instead of you to celebrate him more, to tell him that the other time you performed the burial that he wasn't really standing like a man. But now that you arrive, you do this Igbu EFI of a 10 to celebrate him among his kinsmen when he was alive, celebrating his mother, maternal people too. That is why their meat is shared among all these people. Now, when you celebrate to your father understands perfectly that you don't have. But when you don't celebrate your father, you have not done this particular celebration for your late father, and you are going to your in-law people to celebrate them, to give them cow, go to your friends to give them cow, is an insult to your late father. I tell you, many have lost their life because of this singular act of disobedience of Obaya Pokoro. Ndị Igbo tụrụ inu, one Igbo adage says, onye kpọọ Obaya Pokoro agbata obi ewere ekporo ahịhịa. Meaning, what you have, if you discard it and see it as a trash, people will help you to trash it very well. Now, when you did not do this, your father will not be happy of you, about you. The same thing, don't go and be dashing people cow. That is the message of today. Don't go and be dashing people's cow, forming big boy. Meanwhile, you have not done the same thing to your late father. Some people, their business have crashed. Some people are doing well in business. They will be telling you, Eze-Ana, after doing, going to my in-laws burial, after giving cow to my friend that he was opened his own house, this and that, my business keep going down, crashing. Brother, you brought it upon yourself. Have you celebrated your late father for giving birth to you an Odogwu that can afford cow as a gift? And now you are celebrating another person, calling another person Odogwu. That's what brought you your nemesis. It's a nemesis. So I can tell you, as somebody that understands how these things work spiritually, and I can tell you that some of you, why you are facing downfall is not because you went to Christmas celebration. No. It's because of that your action, giving out cow, forming big boy to others, while your late father is being regarded as noble, as a pauper in the world of spirit. That is your problem. Let me stop here. If you have any question, you see my numbers on the screen. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazụrụ ihe niile. Obi m siri ike ka Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Pụrụ Ime Ihe be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed. Now and forevermore. Ya gazie.